Hi guys, roll up your sleeves because today on Divas Can Cook, we are making some good old-fashioned homemade from scratch white bread. I love this sandwich bread so much. It's very easy to make, so if you are new to bread making, this is the perfect recipe to start off with. All right, you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, we're gonna start by proofing our yeast. I have some really warm sugar water. I'm gonna add my yeast into the water. I'm gonna give it a little stir just like that. And now we're gonna sit and just wait, okay? Just wait and let that yeast get all puffy and stuff. It's gonna get doubled in size and then we are ready to go. This is where I used to mess up at when I used to make bread. I didn't let my yeast do its thing, so make sure you let your yeast do its thing, all right? Okay, I'm gonna pour this into a large bowl. I'm gonna add some honey because I love honey in my bread. So good. Then we're gonna add in some oil to keep everything nice and soft. And then we're gonna put in some buttermilk, of course. It gives bread great flavor, so good. And of course, I got me some salt here. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up. Now, you can totally do this by hand because normally I don't even use my mixer to make this bread. Oh yeah, I almost forgot my water. Gotta have water. I almost forgot that. But like I was saying, you do not have to use a mixer for this. You can do everything by hand. Now, let me tell you guys, you know how you guys have been saying, oh my gosh, Monique, you never use your stand mixer. Okay, let me tell you, I decided to use my stand mixer to make a loaf of this bread and it was trash. Anytime I use a stand mixer to make bread or anything yeasty, it never comes out right for me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I have to do all yeast stuff by hand. I don't know why, I just do. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knead this by hand. So I'm gonna plop it onto my little work surface here. It looks like a lot of flour, but we're gonna use up all that flour in the kneading process. So you might even need a little bit more flour. Okay, so you're gonna knead this dough. It's kind of like, you know, get away from me, no, come back. You push it away, you bring it back. You push it away, you bring it back. I love it. But we're going to knead this dough until it is like really, really soft and kind of, well, not kind of, but really, really stretchy as well. This dough is a dream. It is such a dream to work because it gets so soft. I just love it so much. And you're going to knead this dough for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes. I know it's kind of a long time, but you know, time passes by quick when you like talking on the phone or watching TV, so yeah, do that. Dough is ready. It's so soft. I wish you guys could feel it because it's like so soft. Okay, so I'm gonna oil my bowl here and plop that soft dough into that bowl. I'm gonna cover it up with some plastic wrap. Then I'm gonna place this into the oven with the pilot light on, okay? Just any other really warm place. I like to use my oven though. For about 45 to 60 minutes until it doubles in size. Kind of like this right here. Yup, that's perfect. Go ahead and take off that plastic wrap. And here's my favorite part about making anything yeasty right here. You get to punch it like that. I like doing that. It just feels good when you just punch your hand down into it. Oh my God, yeah. The simple things, okay? I like, you know, doesn't take much for me. Okay, so I'm gonna place this on my work surface and keep touching it because it feels so lovely. Now I'm going to spread it out into like a rectangle and brush it with some butter. Yes, butter, okay? You can skip that part if you want to. Then I'm gonna roll it on up. I'm gonna tuck in those ends a little bit and then I'm just going to plop it down in my bread pan, okay? Put it in there, Monique, there you go. Okay, so now that looks wonderful. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more butter because that's just how I get down, okay? That's just my, you know, yeah, butter. Okay, so now we're gonna cover this baby back up and we're gonna place it back into the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Don't let it get too big now, okay? Bigger is not better because if it gets too big, it's gonna like overflow and it's gonna be a mess. All right, now very, very gently here. You don't want to deflate your bread. I'm gonna brush it with more butter because we're gonna bake it, okay? We get ready to bake it. Into the oven for 15 minutes, cover with foil, bake another 15 minutes, and beautiful. What? She's gorgeous. We're gonna go ahead and just brush her with some more butter because butter makes life better. That looks so good. Ain't it pretty? This is so pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna take it out of the pan because you don't want to leave it in the pan because then it's gonna start steaming. It's gonna get all soggy. We don't want that. Take it out the pan. We're gonna let it cool off completely. Hold on now, she's getting a little dry. She's getting a little dry. There you go. Yes, honey, I got you, baby. I got you. Okay, we're gonna let it cool off completely before you cut it. Don't you go cutting into no warm bread, honey. Don't do it. Let it cool off 100%. Now, you guys, here's the moment of truth. Isn't she pretty? Watch her. Just watch it. Look at that. Oh my God. That. Oh, what? That crust, oh my gosh, that crust. I don't even like the crust on bread. I always take it off, but this crust is like chewy and it's all buttery. All that butter is so buttery. It's like crisp. It's like perfect. And the inside is like so fluffy. And it makes the best sandwiches ever. Like seriously, so good. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video. Later.